Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here to show you the September 2022 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, so everything you need to create. Along with your kit, you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on it while you drool over your kits or while you start creating. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double-page layouts that our design team designs for you. There'll be one for each one of the 4 collections, and they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a photograph of the finished layout so that you can create right along with them. It might also just inspire you to take off in another direction. Also, as a kit subscriber, you have access to a free exclusive cut file each and every month. So this month is this awesome sailboat. So be sure to download it. It also has the title This Summer, so you can break that apart or use it all together. Be perfect for our Doodlebug collection here. But you may have other projects for this summer that you could use it on as well. Your 4 collections this month include Doodlebug's Designs Seaside Summer, which is just a fun, whimsical summer collection. And then Echo Park Fall Fever. So Echo Park does it again with the beautiful fall icons. From Simple Stories, we're going to go into the wild. So you're going to have a fun, whimsical collection on the wild side. And then also from Simple Stories, we have the Simple Vintage Lakeside, which is those gorgeous vintage designs. And this is all geared around the lake. So a lot of fun this month. So be sure to download all your freebies and let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections so that you can see what you'll be receiving. Our first collection is Doodlebug Designs Seaside Summer. So this is a really fun, whimsical summer collection. Anything to do with the seaside, water, chilling out, just a lot of fun. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of coconut swirl cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called the Island Tropics, which has all of the tropical florals and the leaves. The back is a 2-toned green of those leaves. This paper is Plaid It's Summer, so there's a multicolored plaid. The back is a yellow tone-on-tone with all of the sunshines and their little smiley faces. This paper is called Surfs Up, and its background is like a sand design with the seaweed, and then the little crabs. Are they not too cute? Lots of different shells, and then the little seagulls. The back is the waves of the water. So one more look at those patterned papers. Gorgeous colors this month. For your embellishments, all of these will vary, but you're going to get a mixture of the chit chat and the odds and end pieces. So the chit chat just means it's like little word phrases, and then the odds and ends are your icons. So again, these will vary, but this is what I got, just an assortment of all the little sea creatures that are so fun, a little beach house, the lighthouse, a stamp with those florals, the VW bug. So let's go on a road trip. So that is Seaside Summer from Doodlebug Design. Our next collection is Fall Fever from Echo Park, and it's the gorgeous fall colors. I love their designs and their color palette for their fall collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This pattern paper, which is the fall leaves in a wreath. The back is that barn red with a grid design. That paper is called Festive Fall. Then we have the gingham plaid leaves. I just love that paper. Look how gorgeous that is all together. The back is the plus signs on a gray background. This one is called Colorful Leaves. Then we have the large plaid with all of the different colors in this collection. A little cross sign on that golden yellow. This one's called Plaid Fever. So one more look at the patterned papers. Then for your embellishments, you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So check out that large tree. Again, that wreath of leaves and the plaid leaves, the gingham. It's just gorgeous. All of the large words that you could use for titles. We have a scalloped border down here in the orange plaid, a row of pumpkins, and then the tractor. So many cute icons in this. So that is Fall Fever from Echo Park. Our next collection is Simple Stories Into the Wild. And this, the phrasing and stuff is kind of about the zoo. You could also do some of the Disney photos from Safari, things like that, any kind of wild animal park that you might been to. But I'm telling you, this can describe my life some days with just my pets around here. So don't forget to scrapbook those. You're going to start with 2 sheets of hibiscus cardstock. This pattern paper, which is the 2x2 and 4x4 elements, just hanging, enjoy the ride, hey friend, wild one. That can also be your human children. Stay wild, child. The back is a diagonal stripe. Then this paper, Life's a Zoo, which is beautiful florals. The back is a yellow and white striped. Then we have the 3x4 elements. Again, you could fussy cut these for embellishments. And then also Into the Wild, it could be any experience that's just out of the normal. Let's go exploring. Life's a zoo, just hanging, monkeying around. Again, children or pets. It's a jungle out there. I think about work. You know, I can document that. Then we have a polka dot on red. Lots of fun colors and designs in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get 3 of the tags, so these will vary. The one side has icons and words, and the other side just has the print at the top. Then you're going to get a couple of the foam thickers, so these are the 2 that I received, Adventure and Life's a Zoo, and then some of the ephemera die cut pieces. So again, all of your embellishments will vary, but this is a good representation. So that's Simple Stories Into the Wild. Our final collection is the Simple Vintage Lakeside collection from Simple Stories. This is a great collection for anything outdoors, exploring, just some beautiful colors. I always love the vintage collections. They're just soft and just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Then your pattern paper is the 3x4 elements. Big fish story, get out and explore your world, lake days are the best days. So lots of ideas there to document. The back is butterflies with the text in the background. This paper is called Love This Place, which is kind of a multimedia. It's got different pattern papers. It's got text on the back, so that's really a lot of fun. Then the black and white diagonal stripe, again with some distressing, has some text and some watercolor. This paper is called Relax and Unwind, so it's a wood grain, and then it has the ducks and some little stamps on it. Leaves. I hope all of those designs show up for you. The back is a plaid. Just gorgeous. Look at the colors in that. So even if you don't want to document real specific outdoors, you could use the B-sides and still some of the embellishments. If you have any of the other Simple Vintage collections that are about the outdoors, you'll see some of the same icons like the mushrooms and the leaves and stuff. So pull those out and use them with this. For your embellishments, these are all going to vary, but you're going to get 1/3 of the sticker sheet. This is the one that's the banners. So looks like I got the middle strip here. So I have this banner here and this one, and then some smaller little icons and pieces. You're also going to get some enamel dots. Those colors will vary, and then some of the die cuts. So I got a couple of leaves, a mushroom, butterfly, a duck, and some fish and flies, and then the little bug. So that is Simple Vintage Lakeside from Simple Stories. One more look at the 4 collections in your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons if you would like more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. Also check out that Shots of Life because it coordinates and can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.